Hello friends, my name is Rabbi. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about Navodaya entrance exam, how to prepare this exam. First I will tell you about Navodaya examination school. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas are a group of schools formed by the central government to provide good quality modern education to the talented children from predominantly rural areas, irrespective of their family's socio-economic background. According to National Education Policy, a proposal was passed in 1986 establish Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas in every state except Tamil Nadu. All the schools under the name of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya are residential and co-educational. This is the information about Navodaya school. So it is in all over India except Tamil Nadu state. So this examination is conducted in CBSE syllabus and the subject is conducted. The languages are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, English, Garo, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kasi, Malayalam, Marathi, Mizo, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Manipuri, Meitei Mayak, Manipuri, Bangla script, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. These are the languages conducted in Navodaya examination. So the eligibility will be the age for 6th class, 9 to 13 years limitation. The candidate must have passed 5th class from a recognized board. Candidate must not have appeared in JNVST test earlier. So reservation for rural, SC/ST, girls and disabled children. At least 75% of seats are declared for rural areas and 25% are declared for urban areas of the district. There is a provision for reservation of seats for SC and ST candidates in proportion to their population in the district, but not less than the national average. The 1/3 of the seats are reserved for girl students and 2/3 is reserved for boy students. There is a provision for reservation of 3% seats for disabled children like orthopedically handicapped, hearing impaired and visually handicapped. So the exam will be 3 subjects for mental ability and mathematics and the subject language which have you taken. The mental ability for 60 minutes and the 50% of the weightage, and the arithmetic will be 30 minutes for 25% of weightage, and the language which you have selected will be 30 minutes for 25% weightage. The exam will be in offline. You have to put the application in on. If you select in this exam in 6th class, they will give best education up to 12th class. In whole India, there are 661 Navodaya schools. They will also conduct science promotion activities. Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti provides for various experiences leading to science promotion and motivations to students to select STEM as their career. The annual Science Congress is organized annually in collaboration with research institutes and institutes of national importance at regional level. Exhibitions are organized school, cluster, regional and national level for physics, chemistry, biology and maths. They will also provide smart classes. A smart class supplements regular lessons in mathematics, science, social, English and Hindi to explain concepts in an engaging and interactive manner. Teachers are trained to use the equipment effectively. Migration, one of the important features of the JNV scheme is the migration program wherein two linked JNVs of different linguist categories exchange students between them. The aim of exchange program is to promote national integration and enrich social content. According to scheme, a selected 30% of class 9 students are exchanged between two linked JNVs of different linguist categories, generally between Hindi speaking and non-Hindi speaking states for 1 year. During the migration period, the three languages being taught to migrated students remain the same as in their parent JNV, but social and cultural exchanges are facilitated by their language learning in class 6 to 9th. They will also provide sports. JNV give great emphasis to sports. The daily schedule allows at least 2 hours a day towards sport and other play activities. Each JNV provides facilities for handball, football, volleyball, basketball, kho-kho, badminton, kabaddi, hockey and cricket. The campuses also provide a gymnasium and multi-purpose halls for indoor games like table tennis and chess. Inter-school competitions are held yearly at clusters, regional, national and SDFI School Games Federation of India level. Cultural activities. Cultural activities are part of JNV framework. Every school is provided with a music room and art room. Inter-school competitions for dance, drama, debates, literature, etc. are early held at the cluster, regional and national level. Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti is recognized as a state for scouting and guiding activities by the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Navodaya students regularly participate in the programs of BSG. NCC is being introduced into the JNVs in a phased manner. Similarly, the National Service Scheme is being introduced in a phased manner. So Navodaya school is conducting these many activities and best education. Who want to join in this school? I will give them guidance. So I will give guidance in more videos. If you did not understand this video, I prepared one document. I will put in that in description box. So please subscribe my channel and get guidance for next videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you.